welcome back to Expo Radio. This is just a little review of the Yaesu FS-85 or FT-8500. Sorry, it's a dual mobile, kind of 8000 series typical ham radio rig, but the difference in this one is it's full screen and it just has this one control here, because everything is done through the microphone. And I had a previous radio on here before, a video of this, but it was with the standard microphone that comes with these, the FS-10. This is actually the top of the line advanced one, which has complete full control of the radio, as you see. So you've got volume and squelch for the left side, volume squelch for the right side. You've got all sorts of kind of menu buttons and quick, reverse any repeaters that you've saved in, or you can tell it that it's a repeater for simplex, or for plus or negative shift. Scan button, your home priority channels, you can mute, you can skip scanning. This little toggle is great for going up and down in frequency or menu items. It's pretty neat. So here, you can power it from the mic. And this particular radio, I've done an LED swap to. It's actually white LEDs you can see behind this control knob, which lights up white, but back here the LCD has a filter on it, and it kind of gives it that ICOM greenish tinge, which I liked a lot better than the boring original Yaesu orange that they had. So I think it looks way better. But yeah, on this side of the mic you have your standard DTMF and all these buttons that you can program to do whatever you want. Here you can tell it if it's tone encode, decode, page, tone, page, code. This is for kind of packet stuff, which is a little above my abilities. Never really got into it, but you have like a quick squelch break, which I like that. I wish every mic had that feature. You can change power here. Yeah, it's just a great little radio. I've just realized if you push the volume button in, it'll switch it over to whichever side you're transmitting on or want to change. You can change megahertz up, down, or you go left, right, change kilohertz. I just have it set to my frequency here. I am right-handed, so this is weird. Yeah. Hello, test, test, test. I just replaced the element in this microphone, and I'm holding it backwards.
Hello, test, test, test. I just replaced the element in this microphone, and I'm holding it backwards.
So as you can see, it's a pretty different, strange radio. Some people love it, some people hate it, but like this menu system alone, I think is great. Like, it's so much easier to use than most radios. It's just a matter of, you got this fairly bigger microphone, but it's a matter of choice. It's kind of one of those radios that's become like a cult favorite. You either love it or you hate it. I think it's pretty cool. I've run one before in the past in my truck, and I liked it. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Tell me if this is something you've owned, if you've ever had any love or hate memories with it, or what. But yeah, this is also for sale for now. I don't know how fast it'll sell, but if you're interested, you can send me an email. It'll be on my website, and if it doesn't go, it'll end up going on eBay. But, yeah, thanks for watching, and keep on keeping on.